Hi, greetings, my dear students. This is Umar. You are watching my YouTube channel, Maths with Umar. So, in this session, we are going to see the chapter Algebra, the revision of chapter Algebra. Okay. So, let me give you a brief description about algebra. Okay. See here we have seen till grade 5. What did we study? Till grade 5, we have studied about operations on numbers. Is it right? Operations on numbers. So, what are the operations we have seen on numbers? We have seen addition, we have seen subtraction, we have seen multiplication, and we have even saw division. Is it right? These are the four operations we have seen only on numbers. Okay, so all this branch, the branch of mathematics which deals with numbers, is called as arithmetic. Okay, so in mathematics we have already studied, sometimes we have to use, there will be so many unknown values, right? So in order to use these unknown values along with numbers, we have to use symbols in place of unknown values. So these symbols are called as variables. These are called as variables. That means the value of variables is not constant. So that means the value varies. The value of variable vary. So whatever value you wanted to give, you can give it. Okay. So now you understood that if we use any symbol for an unknown value, it is called as variable. So now that means the numbers we were using till we came to grade 6, those are called as constants. Is it right? Yes. So what is the basic concept of algebra? The basic concept is whenever you have an unknown value, you have to use variable, symbol, any symbol. But generally, what are the symbols we use? The symbols generally we use are small alphabets. Okay, small alphabets of what? Which language? It's not Egyptian language, right? Small alphabets of English. Okay, so we use small alphabets of English. So this is the main concept of algebra. So now let us go in solving, not solving. Let us write the expressions of this statement. Okay, sum of 5 and x. You have to understand this. Sum of, so it has been told sum of what? 5 and x. So that means you have to add 5 plus x. Okay, now you have divided by 8. So what you are supposed to do? You have to divide the sum by 8. So that means what is the sum? 5 plus x. Okay, you have to divide it by 8. So this is the algebraic expression of this statement. I hope you understand this. Okay. So the next statement, to which you have to change it to mathematical expression. First, read the statement thoroughly at least 2 or 3 times. Okay. So what is given here? Product of 7 and y. So whenever they have given something, product of what? 7 and y. What is the meaning of product? It is the result of multiplication. So that means you have to multiply 7 multiplied by y is added. So this is added to something else. So what is that? It is added to what? To twice x. What is twice x? Twice means 2 times x. So you know better. So when you have multiplication, you can write it as 7y plus 2 times x, you can write it as 2x. So what is the algebraic expression? 7y plus 2x. Got it? So now let us see the third statement. What is the third statement? Minus 6 is multiplied by n. So whenever you see something, there is a phrase, okay, meaningful phrase, what you have to do, you take it as one operation. Minus 6 is multiplied by n. So that means minus 6 multiplied by n. That is fine. And the result, what is the result? After multiplying two, one constant and variable, that is the result, because you don't know the answer for this. And the result is added. So that means this is added to 8. So how will you write it as? You will write it as minus 6n plus 8. Got it now? If you have any doubt, please comment so that I can clear your doubts. Or if you have any other even problem or any doubt, you can directly comment. I will take care of that. Otherwise, even you can message me through WhatsApp. I think you have my number, plus 971 52 124 7969. You can even WhatsApp so that I can clear your doubts. Okay, you just send me the picture of the problem. Inshallah, I will send you the answers. Okay. So now let us see the debit. Z is subtracted from minus 12. So Z here, it is an integer. Okay. So it is subtracted from minus 12. So that means you have to write minus 12 before, and it which is subtracted? Z is subtracted. That means minus Z. So the answer is minus 12 minus Z. I hope you understand this. So now let us go to the next problem. What is the next problem? 5 more than minus x gives 14. See, 5 more than minus x. See, what is more? More than mean nothing but addition, right? So more than minus x. So that means minus x you write first, plus how much is more? 5. Okay. Gives means it is the result, that is equal to 14. So this is the statement which we are, mathematical expression which you are which you wanted. Okay. So this is how you have to express the statements which are given into mathematical expressions. Take care, read the statements which are given in word form twice or thrice, then only you will understand and try know where to break the statement. Understood? Suppose for example, when he is talking of sum, he may be talking of two numbers, so you have to stop it here. Sum of 5 and x, product of 7 and y, and minus 6 is multiplied by n. Understood? So you have to understand where to stop. Sum of 5 and x, that means you have to find the sum of 5 and x. So product of 7 and y. Okay. So and minus 6 is multiplied by n. So stop. Okay, you have to write them as an mathematical expression and then move forward. Got it, my dear students? So now let us see the next part, fill in the blanks. The solution of x plus 6 equals minus 20. See, in the previous sessions, we have studied about integers. When you will get negative, we get negative either if both the integers are negative, or when we add one negative and one positive. See, already one is positive. So what should be x? It should be negative. Very good. So negative integer. See, you are getting a negative integer. So that means here the negative integer should be larger number. So how we get a negative integer? By adding a negative and positive integer, by subtracting. So from which number, if you subtract 6, you get 20. So it is 26. So therefore, x we have to place minus 26 in place of x. So this is minus 26 is the answer. Okay. The variables in the expression 3x plus y are, see, this is an expression having two terms, 3x and y. What are the variables here? X comma y. 3 is a constant. Now, the expression for the perimeter of a regular pentagon whose sides is p centimeters. See here two things. One, we have to understand what is a perimeter. Everybody knows what is perimeter. It is sum of all sides. Good. Now, what is a regular pentagon? Regular pentagon is a pentagon which is pentagon means having five sides. Regular pentagon means having equal five sides. So when you have equal five sides, okay, and each side is p centimeters, what will be the perimeter? You have to add p plus p plus p plus p plus p. So you are adding p 5 times. So therefore it is 5p centimeters. Okay. So identify equation in the following. We have studied before, my dear students, what is an equation? Equation is a mathematical expression in which it contains equal sign, and the left hand side of the equation, the left hand side of the equal to sign is the equal to the value of the right hand side of right hand side. Suppose for example x plus 2 equals 7. So that means the value of x plus 2 is equal to 7, which is on the right hand side. I hope you got it. Understood? So this is called as an equation. So what is an equation? The basic concept of an equation is, in equation there should be an equal to sign, nothing other than that. Okay. So now let us see which is an equation. See, do the first one has equal to sign. What is this? 2m is less than 30. So is this an equation? No. So next, let us go to the next one. So what is the next one? 7 minus x equals 4 equals, sorry, 5. So you have equal to sign over here. So therefore this is an equation. And what about the next thing, my dear students? T minus 7 is greater than 5. Do you have any equal to sign? No. So therefore it is not an equation. So what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical expression which contains equal to sign. Okay. If you want to elaborate a little more, the left hand side of the equal to sign, the value of the left hand side is equal to the value of the expression which is on the right hand side. Understood? Good. So now express the diameter of a circle in terms of its radius. So you have to express diameter. So you have to write as it is in terms of its radius. Here everybody knows in circle what is a radius. What is diameter? Diameter is nothing but twice of the radius. Actually, if you want to define a diameter, diameter is a chord which passes through the center. Okay. But suppose if this is a circle and this is center, this is chord, And now, can anybody tell me what is the radius? Radius is nothing but a line joining from center to any point on the circle. So that means this also can be radius, and the green one also. So in one diameter, how many radius are there? 1 and 2. So therefore, diameter is equal to 2 radius. This is the mathematical algebraic expression. Understood, my dear students? Now, so try to understand the concepts and apply, and wherever you find out your worksheets, please do the worksheets. And if you have any doubt, as I said before, contact me through WhatsApp or even send a comment so that I can send you the update you, or send you through WhatsApp, or take a video and share it to you so that you can benefit from it. So if you like my video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos on mathematical concepts, and share it with your friends so that they can also benefit. Bye bye.